What'd you say?
I can't guard you.
Up! 1, 2, 3. Oh, Dustin! Oh! Oh! Somebody. Hey, nice grab, Ray. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go, Dustin! Woo! Nice grab. He needs no dump.
Yeah, you're fine.
He dumps for no man. Whoa, both of you.
Stall 3. Stall 4. Stall 5.
Thanks. Thank you. Nice mark. Yeah, Dustin.
1 deep, 1 deep.
Up!
Saw you, baby.
Yeah. Nice throw. Oh, nice hit, Tom. There we go.
Good thing everybody back there. So freaking
Here, flicks here.
I turned 30.
Sweet huck fake.
Up! Did I get you?
You got me. So good. Up!
Oh, yeah.
Nice throw.
Was he attacked by a bear?
Just look, bad memories, dude. I don't want to go through that again. Uh-oh. Okay. Hey, Ray, take there.
Ray, let's not play together anymore. Sideline. Stall 1. Stall 2.
Uh-oh. Go for it, Dustin. Oh! He still got it! Oh, he still got it. Nice, nice hit. Oh, yeah. 3, 2, 1. No, stay in. Shoot.
That's what she said. Oh, yeah, that's not taking.
Ready for me to burn you all over this field?
You want some of this? No.
Yeah, that works. 2 all. Okay, here we go. Dustin, come in.
Dustin, just get in.
Just throw it.
Stall 1, 2. Up. That was just embarrassing.
Foul. Foul called. Foul.
That better foul there. No easy break.
Nice, Tom.
1, 2, 3, 4. Up.
One of them. There we go.
Oh.
What is that? 1. Oh, Tom, threading it.
Oh.
Wow, you put that between like 6 people.
Yeah. Like my foot.
By 6, I mean 2, but that was still really really cool. So, no fear.
6 rounds to 2, I think.
6 rounds to 2.
Get there.
Oh, Dustin! Oh!
I got his hand.
Oh. Nice, Tom.
1, 2.
Oh. There it is! Come on! Oh.
Why don't you love me? That's the first time I've shouted that in anger.
Flicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up. Up! Yeah, Nathan! Oh! Oh, sick D. Hey, that was a great D. That was all you, baby. Good heads up play. Nice job.
Going to West Nimick, the Sean Oakman.
I get it. Go, go, Ray.
It's up, it's up, it's up.
Yay, it worked. Ray, 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 Ray. Dustin with the perfect
The throw that was too low and then all of a sudden wasn't.
Exactly what you wanted to hold.
Hey, good movement, guys.
Oh, big!
Nope.
That's the read.
That worked. 1, 2. You okay?
Yeah.
Hit you pretty hard.
Good game, Dustin.
Good playing today, guys.
It was okay. It wasn't that good. That's why I was so shocked when I turned around.